All right, squids, today I'm going to show you how to use this PhET simulation called Waves on a String. It's actually pretty fun. So basically when you go to the site, you'll look, this is what will show up. And you can mess around with this. You can change this to oscillate, and then you get that. You can open this loose end or no end. Okay, you can change the amplitude. You can change the frequency. You can change the damping. I would recommend you just leave the damping at none. You get better results if you leave the damping at none. You can put a lot of damping on it, but it's best to put it at none and leave the tension at high. Okay. When you put low tension, you can mess around with it and you can have a lot of fun stuff happen. But for our experiments, leave it at high. You can put a ruler on there. You can set a timer. You could put a reference line. We're not using the reference or the timer. We will be using the rulers today, though, to measure. So let me just show you what you can do to measure a wavelength. You can put it in slow motion. Sometimes I like to put it in slow motion and then stop it when the green marker is at the top, if I can do that, which I usually can't. So, yeah, but you can make it kind of go. There you go. There. So if you stop it so that the green marker is at the top, then you can just put this up here, put the 0 centimeter there, and this here, and you can say that it's 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of these is 0.2 of a centimeter. So 2.24. So it's right in between there. So that would be 2.5 centimeters. So if I measured this wavelength, it would be 2.5 centimeters. Or, yeah, 2.5. Okay. So that's how you do that. You just freeze it. You can move this. I mean, if you wanted to measure the amplitude, you could also measure the amplitude this way, right? So the amplitude of this one would be 1, but the amplitude is already measured right here. So you don't really have to measure that. Okay, that's how to use this simulation, and whenever you want it to go back to the way it really was originally, you do this. But for the experiment today, you're going to put it on oscillate, no end, no damping, high tension, set a ruler. And then it tells you what to change the frequency and amplitude to in the actual document. That's it. That's how to use the Waves on a String simulation.